Hey guys, we're at the gym and I'm going to take you along with me for my workout with my boyfriend and all the stuff that I do. I'll see you in the next clip when we're working out. Okay guys, we're back home from the gym and we're about to shower. And yeah, I think I'm becoming a gym girly because I kind of like it. But we're going to shower, put on comfy clothes. Me and my boyfriend are going to cuddle and watch a movie. Song playing, everyone. Look at my cutie. Oh, I love when you do your little wave. It's cute. It's been a long year and all of our places. Good morning, guys. Today is Bridgerton Day. It is Thursday, January 29th, and we're going to see season 4 of Bridgerton. Comment down below if you've already seen it and what are your thoughts. I'm about to play it right now. Okay, guys, literally my bestie got engaged last night. Okay, we're so happy for her. And we literally talked on the phone for like an hour or so, like getting all the details, all the everything. Like, she's gonna be a 2027 bride, and I look forward to wedding planning with her, getting all the things ready to get her married. Like, we love that. Also, too, she has a surprise bachelorette tonight and she doesn't know. And I couldn't make it and I'm really sad. But yeah, like, she has a surprise one tonight. And all the gifts that I got her, I filmed me putting it in a bag, and I'll put in a different video on the day that I hand her the stuff probably. But yeah, I am so excited, guys. And by the time I post this, she'll have already posted that she's engaged. She'll have posted that she had a bachelorette party. And just know that I'm here for it. Like, I'm always the friend cheering on my other friends for their love and just like happiness and success. Like, I will always, always, always be the friend that cheers you on, because I just want to see you happy. I want to see you winning. I want to see like all the good things happen to you. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'll insert a picture. It happened last night. But yeah, I'm so excited. And I just can't wait. I'm going to take you guys along with me for all the wedding planning, looking at venues, all the things we do. And yeah, it's going to be so great. And I'll see you tomorrow when I'm cleaning out my boyfriend's closet. Okay guys, just like I promised you, I'm going to show you my boyfriend's closet that I cleaned and organized. I think I did a pretty good job, and I feel like this is good organization for a guy. So if you have a husband, a boyfriend, whatever, like, simple is best for them. Like, not too much, because they're not going to be able to keep up with it. So I'll show you an overview of what I did. Also, the lighting looks crazy because I don't have the blinds open and it's making those lines on my face, but you'll see in the next clip what I did. So I kind of organized everything. Like, all of this is his jacket section, and then all his hoodies and then crew necks. And then he has long sleeve dry fit, short sleeve dry fit, and then just regular shirts. He has pants, and then he has his workout shorts, his personal stuff, and shoes, all that stuff. And obviously, those are my shoes. That's not my boyfriend's shoes. But yeah, that's basically his whole closet. And clearly, I've been stuck here since the winter storm. If you live in the South or if you live in Texas, wherever you live, you've experienced the winter storm. And I got stuck here because the highways were so bad. So I won't be going back home until Wednesday. Not Wednesday. Sorry, correction. I won't be going home until Thursday. But yeah, I thought I would just show you guys, and then I'll probably tune back in tonight when I'm making dinner, and then take you guys along with me for the other stuff I do. Come cook dinner with me and I'll show you the final result. I guess you won't be cooking with me, I'll just show you the final result, and then we'll close out the video in bed. Okay, now I'm gonna eat my dinner that I showed you guys, and I'm gonna end the video here. Comment down below, what is your favorite workout to do at the gym, and if you have anything that you suggest I should try, whether it's a machine or something to do on a mat, comment it down below and I'll definitely try it out. And I'm so happy you're here, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye.